welcome our respected principal, Ms. Poonamjeet Kaur, to say a few words. Please.
Another 5 minutes to go before noon. So good morning everyone. Lovely to see all of you. And I'm sure all of you are still in awe and still imagining that was this kindergarten children who just performed in front of us. So I think they did a wonderful, wonderful job. We can't dance like that. We can't sing like that. It was amazing. What a lovely performance. And it was even more special because they were doing it for their parents. You could see the joy in their eyes and the way they would smile. Their face would light up the moment they would see where their parents were. So I think that is the most important thing that we need to remember, that it's not just the school or it's not just the home. It's the teachers and the parents together who help them build their beautiful future, and they were talking about their future. In fact, one of the child must have been singing, and she spoke those lines again. So it's beautiful. It is beautiful that our children are learning so much. They are growing so fast. It's like it doesn't even feel like it's been a year, and the children have just grown, and the confidence level is out of this world. I don't think that we were ever this confident even while we were graduating from college. So these are kindergarten graduates, so confident and ready to take on the world. And we would like to really thank you for putting your trust in us and giving the children a chance to be in such a wonderful school where we are looking after their overall development. It's the numbers and the alphabets are not the only thing that they learn. There is so much more to learn, like they said, how to be confident, competent and caring. So thank you dear parents and some of the grandparents, uncles and aunts most probably, and little siblings who have come to appreciate their brothers and sisters. It was lovely having you here, and it was such a wonderful show, and I feel so proud. Thank you Manveen ma'am. Thank you ma'am, and thank you dear teachers for putting up such a wonderful show, because the children need a lot of guidance and the teachers have been working day in, day out. Believe me, I can see that. So I have the cameras of the AV hall in my office, and I can see the children and the teachers. The dances were beautiful. I could see the joy on the dance teacher's face when she was watching them. So it's like how proud you feel. The teachers also feel as proud when their children do so well. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you dear teachers for all the effort you put in, and I think it was a wonderful, wonderful celebration of the children going from kindergarten to class 1. Congratulations to all the parents. So, thank you.
Thank you so much ma'am, for your kind words and for always the graduation ceremony. And I would like to invite our respected Avinash ma'am and Principal ma'am on the stage to do the honors.